Hey guys, Michael Internet Pro. Where I'm at, I can't talk real loud. But check this out, guys. This is today so far. Check it out. I made $17.48 and all throughout the day. Payments coming in with PayPal. You can see right here. Started on the 24th, right down here with the $17 sales. And then people just start buying into the program like crazy. Look at that. It's crazy. And not only that, guys, and this is all, you can do this with your mobile phone. This is PayPal. But here's some CPA transactions for today. As you can see, the 27th, $150 today. So, guys, it's real. It's true. 1748 today, and boom, 170 and 150 bucks. So that's like 100. Let's see, just for the day alone, 150 plus 1748. That's $167 in one day. $167 in one day. And, I didn't have to dig a ditch. I didn't have to, smile on people's faces at the counter or something like that. I did absolutely nothing to make that money. It's complete autopilot. This is internet income from your phone. So, guys, if you're looking to make money just like this, simply click the link below. Look at, and my system tells me good morning. Isn't that nice? You wake up, it says good morning to you, and then boom, it shows you your transactions. 150 bucks. Not bad, guys. Let me show you how to do this. Go ahead and click the link below. You'll find all the information in there. A lot of people don't understand that. All the information is in the link below. Click the link below and you watch the video, the explanation, okay? It's going to go over and show you how you can copy my system, okay? Which is simple copy and paste, okay? You can copy my website and boom, everything is that I'm doing, you'll be doing. All right, guys? I don't want to make this video too long. It's Mike Internet Pro, 8-year online marketer. If you haven't heard about me, check out my channel. Check out the link below. I'll check you out in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm out.